Hello students, today's topic is reactions of aldehyde and ketone. The first reaction is addition of Grignard reagent. Aldehyde and ketone ची addition reaction दाखवायची आपल्याला Grignard reagent सोड. So what is meant by Grignard reagent? Grignard reagent means with alkyl magnesium halide. It is the Grignard reagent. Aldehyde and ketone react with Grignard reagent means RMgX alkyl magnesium halide in dry ether and form a complex which on further hydrolysis with acid forms the alcohol. By addition of Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketone react with Grignard reagent in dry ether and form a complex which on further hydrolysis with acid forms the alcohol. The general reaction is starting aldehyde or ketone. General formula of aldehyde or ketone: delta positive, delta negative charge. It is the aldehyde or ketone. कशासोबत रिॲक्ट करायचे आपल्याला? Grignard reagent. In Grignard reagent, alkyl group carries delta negative charge and magnesium carries delta positive charge. In presence of dry ether, to form a complex. तो कॉम्प्लेक्स कसा फॉर्म होणार आहे? जो आपला अल्किल ग्रुप आहे डेल्टा निगेटिव्ह तो कशावर अटॅक करणार आहे? आपला कार्बोनिल कार्बनवरती अँड दिस डबल बॉन्ड शिफ्टेड टू निगेटिव्ह चार्ज. CrOMgX. It is the complex. And then acid hydrolysis to give alcohol, OHR, alcohol. The byproduct is HOMgX. It is simple reaction of aldehyde and ketone with Grignard reagent. The example is when acetaldehyde, the structure of acetaldehyde CH3 C double bond OH, it is acetaldehyde, react with methyl magnesium halide, methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. The complex is formed. Complex कसा फॉर्म होणार आहे? methyl carries delta negative charge, magnesium carries delta positive charge. This delta negative charge attacks on this carbonyl carbon and the double bond is shifted to negative charge. CH3 C H, the CH as it is, it carries OMGI and CH3 is attached to this carbon. This complex is formed. This complex is further acid hydrolysis. H plus OH minus. This OH minus attacks on this carbon and this carries negative charge. This negative charge picks this hydrogen and the product form alcohol CH3 and this OH is attached to this carbon and OMG pick the hydrogen OH, Mg and I. This alcohol name is isopropyl alcohol. The second example is formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium iodide to form complex and then last stage ethanol is formed. The structure of formaldehyde is react with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. Methyl group carries delta negative charge, magnesium carries delta positive charge. This delta negative charge attacks on this carbon. This double bond is shifted to negative charge and the complex is formed HCHOMgI and this CH3 is attached to this carbon. This complex is formed. Then this complex is further acid hydrolysis forms ethanol HCOH, CH3 and H. It is ethanol. The byproduct is HOMgI. Okay. It is very simple reaction. Then last example is acetone. Acetone is one of the ketone molecule. The structure of acetone CH3C double bond O CH3. Acetone is react with methyl magnesium iodide in presence of dry ether. Then the complex form. This delta negative charge attacks on this carbon and this carbon means carbonyl carbon and this double bond is shifted to oxygen. Then oxygen carries negative charge. This negative charge again attack to magnesium. So the OMgI is formed. OMgI and this delta negative CH3 group attach on this carbon. Okay, it is complex. Then this complex is further acid hydrolysis to give tertiary butyl alcohol CH3 and OH. The name is this compound is tertiary butyl alcohol and the byproduct is HOMgI. So it is very simple reaction. Next reaction is nucleophilic addition, elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative. Second reaction is nucleophilic addition, elimination of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative. So the statement of this reaction, aldehyde and ketone undergo addition, elimination with some ammonia derivative What is meant by ammonia derivative? Means NH2 group, it is ammonia, and Z is the any group, means alkyl group, aromatic group, NH2, phenylhydrazine, etc. to give product. Containing carbon nitrogen double bond called as imines. The reaction is reversible. The reaction is reversible and takes place in weakly acidic medium. Acidic medium. The substituted imines is called a Schiff base. The substituted imines is called Schiff base. काय आपली रिॲक्शन अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोन यांची ॲडिशन इलिमिनेशन दाखवायची कशासोबत अमोनिया डेरिव्हेटिव्ह सोबत. अमोनिया डेरिव्हेटिव्ह म्हणजे काय NH2 अँड Z ग्रुप. Z इज द अल्किल ग्रुप, हायड्रोजन ग्रुप, aromatic group, etc. to give product containing carbon nitrogen double bond. Carbon nitrogen double bond means imines. The reaction is reversible and takes place in acidic medium. So general reaction is starting compound काय असेल आपला reactant aldehyde or ketone. C double bond O aldehyde or ketone. Okay. It reacts with ammonia derivative and it is reversible. Okay. So reversible error takes place in this reaction. The product is formed. The complex is formed. आता हा कॉम्प्लेक्स कसा फॉर्म होतोय. नायट्रोजन कॅरीज lone pair of electron. This lone pair of electron attacks on carbonyl carbon. This double bond is shifts to oxygen. It carries negative charge. Then this oxygen pick the hydrogen to NH2 group. Okay. C OH, N, Z and H. Then elimination of water molecule. This hydrogen is carries to formation of double bond and this OH is eliminated, then the product is NZ, means image, and the byproduct is water molecule. It is simple reaction where Z is equal to alkyl group, aromatic group, ammonia group. Example. The example is acetaldehyde. Structure of acetaldehyde CH3 H double bond O. Acetaldehyde react with hydroxylamine NH2OH. It is hydroxylamine. Hydroxylamine in presence of acidic medium means H plus to give a complex. The complex कसा फॉर्म होणार आहे? The lone pair of nitrogen atom attacks to carbonyl carbon and this double bond is shifted to oxygen and it carries negative charge. This negative charge pick this hydrogen. So the complex is CH3 C H OH and NH OH. Then elimination of water molecule. This NH bond is used to formation of double bond and this OH molecule is eliminated and the compound is formed CH3C H double bond NOH plus water molecule. This compound is named as acetaldoxime. What is meant by oximes? Oxime means the aldehyde or ketone react with hydroxylamine named as oxime. So the oximes the compound containing carbonyl group namely aldehyde and ketone with hydroxylamine. जर आपण अल्डिहाइड अँड कीटोनची रिॲक्शन जर हायड्रॉक्झिलामाइन सोबत केली तर आपल्याला काय भेटणार आहे? ऑक्झाइम भेटणार आहे. हायड्रॉक्झिलामाइन मीन्स NH2OH. Okay. So next example is acetone. Second example, acetone. The formula of acetone is CH3C double bond O CH3. Acetone is react with hydroxylamine. reversible arrow. In presence of acidic medium, the lone pair of nitrogen attacks on this carbonyl carbon and this double bond is shifted to negative charge. This negative charge again pick the hydrogen of acidic medium or nitrogen group. So the complex is CH3 COH CH3 NH OH. Okay. Then next step is elimination of water molecule. This NH bond is used to formation of double bond and the OH is eliminated. CH3 CH3 double bond N OH. The name of this compound is acetoxime. It is very simple reaction of addition of aldehyde and ketone with ammonia derivative. The next example is third one example, acetaldehyde CH3 COH. Acetaldehyde reacts with hydrazine. The formula of hydrazine is NH2. Again NH2, hydrazine. Reversible arrow, H plus, acidic medium. The lone pair of nitrogen is attacks on carbonyl carbon and this double bond is shifted to negative charge. It against hydrogen. It again pick the hydrogen and form the complex molecule. Which complex molecule is formed? CH3 COH. This H as it is, this NH2. Okay. Then elimination of water molecule. The water molecule कसा eliminate होईल? This NH bond is used to formation of double bond and this OH is eliminated and the product is CH3CH double bond NH2. Okay. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde hydrazone. acetaldehyde hydrazone. काय केले आपण ह्या एक्झाम्पल मध्ये acetaldehyde रिएक्शन कशासोबत केली? हायड्रोजन सोबत केली. हायड्रोजन म्हणजे काय? NH2 अगेन NH2. इन प्रेझेन्स ऑफ ऍसिडिक मीडियम काय होतंय? लोन पेअर ऑफ नायट्रोजन अटॅक्स ऑन कार्बोनिल कार्बन. दिस कार्बोनिल carbon double bond is shifted to negative charge and this negative charge again pick the hydrogen and the complex is formed. Then the next step, water molecule element. This NH bond is used to formation of double bond and OH is eliminated. Then the acetaldehyde hydrazone is formed. The next example is acetaldehyde is react with phenylhydrazine in presence of acidic medium to give acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. The structure of acetaldehyde CH3COH. Acetaldehyde is react with phenylhydrazine NH2 NHC6H5 phenylhydrazine. In acidic medium The complex is formed CH3, C, OH, H, NH, again NH and C6, H5. कसा फॉर्म झाला हा कॉम्प्लेक्स? द डबल बॉन्ड ऑफ the lone pair of this nitrogen attacks on carbonyl carbon. This double bond is shifted to negative charge and this complex is formed. The next step is elimination of water molecule. This NH bond is used to formation of double bond and the OH is eliminated. The compound is CH3CH, carbon nitrogen double bond, and NH and C6H5, as it is. The name of this compound is acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. Acetaldehyde phenylhydrazone. It is very simple reaction. Next example is acetaldehyde is react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine to give 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone product. Fifth one example, acetaldehyde CH3COH. Acetaldehyde react with 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazine NH2H NH benzene ring ला 2,4 पोझिशन ला नायट्रो ग्रुप NO2 and NO2. okay, 2,4 dinitro phenylhydrazine in bracket 2,4-DNP reagent. okay, in presence of acidic medium, the lone pair of this nitrogen attacks on carbonyl carbon and the double bond is shifted to negative charge and this negative charge again pick the hydrogen. okay, the complex is CH3COH H NH, again NH benzene ring and nitro group NO2. okay, then the elimination of water molecule. This NH bond is used to carry its double bond, used to formation of double bond, and OH is eliminated and remaining structure is as it is CH double bond NH and benzene ring NO2. The name of this compound 2,4-dinitrophenylhydrazone. okay, so it is very simple reaction. Thank you.